Hello friends, today we discuss about crypto market. Please subscribe my channel. The worldwide crypto market cap has plummeted to $1.10 trillion, a drop of more than 8% in only one day. According to CoinMarketCap data, almost every top crypto was in the red at the time of writing, with many losing over 10% in the last 24 hours, 9:25 a.m. In the last 24 hours, the price of Bitcoin, BTC, has plummeted 6.29% to $27,454. The good news for Bitcoin investors is that the top cryptocurrency's market share has risen by roughly 1% to 47.66% of the whole crypto market. Bitcoin's price has dropped 7.71% in the last 7 days. Meanwhile, overall cryptocurrency market volume climbed by 26.51% to $84.33 billion in the last 24 hours, indicating that investors are selling their crypto holdings. DeFi's overall volume was $6.74 billion, accounting for 7.99% of the total crypto market's 24-hour volume. The 24-hour volume of stablecoins was $72.33 billion, accounting for 85.77% of the total crypto market volume. Changes in the cryptocurrency RuPiCoin switches Crypto Rupee Index, CRE8, which measures crypto market performance in Indian rupees, has fallen 4.58% today. The index was at Rs 2,711 as of the time of writing. CRE8 is a crypto index based in Indian rupees that reflects the Indian market. CRE8 is described in further detail here. During the cryptocurrency market meltdown on June 12th, the top gainers were Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin.XRP. In the previous 24 hours, the price of the XRP coin has dropped by 10.15% to $0.3466. The price of XRP has dropped 11.56% in the last 7 days. In terms of market capitalization, it is now rated as the 8th largest cryptocurrency. Solana, SOL. In the last 24 hours, the price of Solana has dropped 12.82% to $32.58. The price of SOL has dropped 16.32% in the last 7 days. In terms of market capitalization, it is now the 9th largest crypto asset. Cardano, ADA. In the last 24 hours, the price of the Cardano coin has dropped 13.64% to $0.513. The price of ADA has dropped 9.06% in the last week. It is now ranked 7th in the world. What is staked at Ethereum, and is it a potential catalyst for another crypto crash? Polkadot lost 12.85% of its value to $7.62, while Avalanche AVAX lost 17.72% of its value to $18.68. On CoinMarketCap, DOT and AVAX are presently rated 11th and 16th, respectively. In the last 24 hours, the price of Polygon Matic has dropped by 14% to $0.5175. On CoinMarketCap, it is now placed 18th. Thank you guys.